Good morning. We'll be starting a special product, but before we begin with special product on lesson 10.4, let us continue with our application question by finding the area of the parking lot and the sidewalk. Yesterday we got to this level, and I believe if you were able to do it, let us see what our answer is going to look like. We have 2x plus 60, that is the area, multiplying 2x plus 70 here. Now using the FOIL method, now F for the first numbers, so 2x, so we have 2x multiplying 2x, let me put it in square bracket. Now O are the outer, which is 2x and 70, so I'm going to put that also 2x multiplying 70. Then we go to I, which is the inner, so inner becomes 60 and 2x, so 60 multiplying 2x, and the L, which is the last, is 60 and 70 again, so we have 60 multiplying 70. Well, in that case 2x times 2x will give us 4x squared, and 2x times 70 will give us plus 140x, and 60 times 2x will give us plus 120x, and 60 times 70 will give us 4,200. Now after that, we'll be able to simplify by grouping the like terms, 40x and 140x and 120x, which will give us 4x squared plus 260x plus 4,200, and that is our area. Now we continue on page 569 on special product. Our objective will be able to find the squares of sums and different, and also find the product of a sum and a different. Now the square of a sum. When we talk about the square of a sum, if we're using a and b, so if we have a plus b and we are to find the square, now this can be written in two forms, such as a plus b multiplying a plus b. And if we're using the FOIL method, a multiplies a and a multiplies b, and we can go along as b multiplying a and b multiplying b. So if we were to write our answer, a multiplying a will give us a squared plus a multiplying b gives us ab, and b multiplying a gives us ab, and b multiplying b give us b squared. So simplifying, a b plus ab can be put together, so our answer becomes a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, and that is our answer. How? Alright, we'll look at our example 1. Is that find each product A. Now x plus 6 squared. Now this can be solved in two ways. Now our first way, you can use the FOIR method, that is by splitting this into x plus 6 and x plus 6. So from what we did, x multiplying x and x multiplying 6, and continue by 6 multiplying x and 6 multiplying 6. So let us see our final answer. X multiplying x gives us x squared plus x times 6, 6x, and the next one, 6 times x, will give us 6x, and 6 times 6 gives us 36. Good. So in simplifying, we have x squared plus 12x plus 36. And that is our answer. Okay, the other way we can solve this is by using our formula. We realize that if we have a plus b squared, our answer was a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, and this can also be used. So in that case, we can say x is a and 6 is b, and we can use that. So in writing that, we can say our answer is going to be x squared plus 2a, and a is x and b is 6, plus b squared, and now b is 6, so we have 6 squared. So this can be written as x squared plus, when you multiply 2 times x, 2x times 6 will give 12x, and 6 squared is going to give us 36. And this can also be used in solving. Let us look at more example from our next page. Now b, 3g plus 10h squared. So using the same a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, we can simply write that as 3g squared. Let me put that for a, plus 2. What is our a? 3g. And what is our b? 10h. Plus b, which is 10h, and we put our squared. So in simplifying this, we are going to have 3 squared will give us 9, and g squared will give us g squared, plus, now we can multiply 10, 3 and 10. So 3 times 10 will give us 30, and g times 8 will give us gh. So when we still multiply it by our 2, we have 60 gh, plus, now when we're squaring, we have 10 squared, which will give us 100, and h, attach our square, and that is our answer. So we can continue by solving the check question, and we'll solve that in the next lesson. Thank you.